there would be a car come around to pick you up, take you into the station.
Now, they've moved most of their offices into this building that looks like a sharpened pencil that's lit up in red and green. That's 2 Prudential Plaza. That's the 7th tallest building in our city. Look right next to Carolina granite. It goes to show, folks, you should never, ever, ever take marble for granite. Thank you for humoring me. I told you that with the white lady balconies behind the Swiss Hotel, that's the residence of Aqua. Gang Studios built that building back in 2009. Lead architect Jeannie Gang, who owns that company. And when Lady Gaga was living here, the St. Regis. Now, it was going to be called the Vista Tower, but the St. Regis Hotel moved inside, so they changed the name to the St. Regis. Look up there at the 83rd floor. It's kind of hard to see with it being dark outside, but up there on the 83rd floor, they didn't put any windows in there. Why? Well, they don't call us the window drinking water from cholera, dysentery, waterborne illness. It was full Pier 1 to bring dry goods into the city of Chicago. When our veterans came back from the First World War, we fantastic. I love it. It's a little cloudy, but talk about a great view of the city of Chicago. That's for sure. Stunning. Now, off to the right over here is Lake Michigan. You can kind of see, well, you can see a
Guys, this is the Navy Pier in Chicago. Served by Amtrak.